Hi, today I have a small but very tricky ABUS 6540 40mm shackle with this interesting keyway, and there is a YC something stamp. It's a pretty small one. It's a 5-pin lock, and you can see first it's very short, and the beading is not that. It's okay. I mean, short here, short forward, but all of the pins, I think they are, except maybe pin number 1, they are spools. It's working very nice. It's spring loaded. I don't think it's possible to shim it. Maybe on one side, but it's a dual locking, so I'm not sure that it's possible to shim it. Here's the package. It's a 5 out of 10. ABUS Global Protection Standard. Maybe picking is 5, but it's a small lock and it can easily be cut, even it's a hardened steel shackle. And we have ABUS on that side, on this side 6540, different languages, and on this side I think here's in English. Brass padlock, hardened steel shackle, double bolted, solid brass body, and precision cylinder. That's interesting. And yeah, let's try to pick this one. And these ones, I think some of them are made, some of the ABUSes they're made in Germany, some of them they're made in China, but I think this one it's definitely made in Germany. So Viper Instant and my standard DeForest diamond. So it's the first pin, it's pin number 1, it's binding, it's very deep. So after the click we are immediately in full set. So let's find the one who wants to be picked, the last one, pin number 5, counter rotation, and I pick pin number 5, but pin number 1 dropped. So pin number 1 is acting like a gate, like a safe gate. Now let's find the next one who wants to pick. I think it's pin number, come on, who's giving me counter rotation? Talk to me. I think it's 4. Come on. Pin 1 but dropped again. So let's pick again pin number 1. I think I overset something and I dropped my tension. So come on, pin 1, click on pin 1 again. So let me check again. 5, 1, it's very short pin. So the next one it's 4, again 1, it's back, something else, it's giving me a, did I overset pin 4 again? No. This starts to be very annoying, to be honest. That's 1, 5, pin 1 dropped, click on 1 again, now 3 wants to be picked, 1 is back, click from 3, come on 1, click from 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4, 4, click, hopefully I did not overset pin 4 again, click from 1, I think I'm good, come on 1, click from 1, now it's 2, come on 2, click from 2, pin 1 is back, come on, yes! Phew. It's open. Very tricky. ABUS, small one, tricky. My hands hurt. Small keyway, but it was fun. And a couple of times overset pin number 4, so that's on me. So yeah, that was the ABUS 6540 picked tricky one. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.